One take two.
And Margaret.
The Unreal as a show is a supernatural family comedy drama. It's a little bit of everything.
It is a show about a family that realises they've escaped from a TV show and they get into all these sort of wacky situations.
Like a lot of great shows, it's really a family show. It's about family and how they stick together in adversity.
It feels so good to be back for season 2 of The Unreal. We were all so excited when we got the call.
It's so much fun to be back for season 2. We feel very lucky all together.
What's different is a whole new cast of ghouls and goblins and interesting characters.
And you're left wondering, who are these people? I don't trust them.
And Rodney's written some really, really great scripts that carry on the Kelly family, so very lucky and happy and all of the good things.
More scariness, more comedy, more weirdness. And so the whole thing is just like the first season, only more.